going to work on trend lines with scatter plots. So I'm on this back page here. Cost of raising a child born in 2003. All right, so we have this table of points. We need to first make our scatter plot. So I need to title it. So we'll say, cost of raising a child born in 2003. Nice long title. All right. So let's label our x-axis. That's our child's age. All right, I need to get up to 16. There's 10 lines here. So remember, we can do our biggest number divided by the number of lines and then round up to the most friendly number. So I'm going to go up by 2s. All right, then the annual cost is my y-axis because that's my bottom. All right, so I need to reach 14,000. So 14,000 divided by 10 lines, that's 1,400. I'm going to round up to 2,000. All right. All right, so I have my graph scaled and labeled. Now I can plot my points. So my first point here is 3, 9,700, and you'll keep plotting those 5. So let's do that. So you're going to be as accurate as you can with these. 12. You'll see why in just a minute. So 16 and 14. All right, so I have my data points. Now you need a straight edge. You can use this side of another sheet of paper. You can use a note card or a ruler, anything like that. All right, so you're going to draw a straight line through like the most of the points. You want to like that. So say I drew that line through. Okay, so I want to pick the 2 points that it is going through the best. So that one looks really good. And then we have to kind of make a choice here. This one's probably my next best bet. You pick, either one of those 2. All right, so you want to pick the 2 best points. So those are the ones that I just decided are the 2 best. All right, now I need to write the equation for those points. So I need to write those ordered pairs down. So that's 6 and 10,700. And then what I have 12 and 13,000. Okay, so I have x1, y1, x2, y2. So to write my equation, first I need to find my slope. All right, so I'm plugging in my slope formula. So hopefully remember that from previous this semester and this year. So 13,000 minus 10,700 over 12 minus 6. All right, so I get 2,300 over 6. Divide that out and let's round that. So I have 383.3. All right, so that's my slope. That's equal to m. Let me just bubble that for now so I don't forget about it. Okay, so let's remind ourselves. All right, what's our slope-intercept equation form? Hopefully you're thinking, oh, it's y equals mx plus b. So I found my m. Now I need to find my b. To find my b, I pick one point. So I'm just going to pick this point here. I'm going to plug it, first one in for x, the second one in for y. So my slope is 383. Oh, geez. 0.3. My x is 12. I just picked that point. B is what I'm solving for. Okay, so let's multiply that. 383.3 times 12. Okay, so 13,000 is equal to 459.6. Sorry. There we go, plus B. All right, I want B by itself. I need to subtract this. So 13. All right, so when I subtract, we should get, type that in, what, 13,000 minus 4599.6. All right, you should get 8. Oh, geez. All right, so my B value is this here. All right, so I'm just doing that as well. All right, so now I can just easily write into my equation. So I have y equals m, which is 383.3 x plus b. And I just found that that's 8,400.6. That's my equation of the line of best fit. Okay, so what type of relationship? This would be a positive correlation. The next one, what's the y-intercept? If you look at our equation, oh, we already found that. So our y-intercept is 0, 8,400.6. And what does this represent? So we need to talk about our units. So child's age versus price. So when the child is 0 years old, so basically when the child is born, they're already costing $8,400. All right. So let's see, a 0-year-old child costs $8,400. So in parentheses, if you want to write like birth costs, that would be, what we're talking about here. Birth costs, diapers, that first, couple months of their life. So we want to predict this or use this equation to predict how much it's going to cost for an 18-year-old kid. So just remind here, X, that's the number or the child's age. What's that? Child's age. Y, that's the annual cost. So 18-year-old, I'm going to plug that in for X. So if Y equals, I'm still using my same equation. So I plug in 18 for X. And I'll just plug this into our thing here. So 3.3. All right, so they cost around $15,300. Okay, so here obviously we're worried about like the thousands, the cents, that's more specific, but we're focusing on the rounded to the whole number as well. So 18-year-old kid, $15,000. They're probably, about to go to college. So the costs are definitely going to go up for those types of scenarios. All right, and that's all we got. Nice job.